Okay, let's move it, people. Nichols, get that bird in the air.
2, stay alert.
She's all ready for you, sir. Nice and warm, the way you like her.
Gunner, get in! Chopper! Roger.
November 1 to Firefly Base. I've hit the first waypoint. Heading for St. Pierre now. ETA 1 minute. Out.
12 o'clock. Unknown. APC. 1000. Target BMP. 1. Fire. No target.
Forward infantry contacts closing on our position.
Fire.
Can any of your boys lend a hand? Over. Firefly Base to November 1.
3 o'clock. Soldier. 100. 3 o'clock. Machine gunner. 100. 3 o'clock. Enemy. AT soldier. 100.
Base, this is Zulu.
4 o'clock.
Soldier
Soldier. 200.
Now proceeding south. Looking forward to seeing that air support out.
Ceasefire. Fire. Target.
November 1, this is Firefly Base. Buffalo reports the situation under control and thanks you for your help. Revert to mission plan. Out.
Ceasefire.
Zulu to Firefly Base. We've now reached Vernon. St. Pierre's just
12
ahead of us, and it's getting a little
Unknown.
hot
Chopper.
down here.
2,000.
Zulu out.
No target. Target T-72. 1. 12 o'clock. Target Shelter. 1. 4. 12 o'clock. Target Plan. 1. 6. No target. 10 o'clock. Target Plan. 100. 7. 11 o'clock. T-80.
Firefly Base. November 1. I'm in position. Preparing to engage. Out.
9 o'clock. Tank. 1,000. 9 o'clock. Enemy. Truck. 500. No target. No target. Target ship. 1, 3. Target T-80, 3, 4, 1,000. No target. Target BMP, 1, 6, 10 o'clock. AT soldier, 50. Target. Target ship. 1, 1. No target. Target 3, 4, no target. Target BMP 19. No target. Unknown, car 1000. 2, disembark. Roger.